I'm using a very, very light magenta. Okay, so what happened is I'm going to this petal here. But just partial. Okay, so you do this when it's still wet, and this is why it's hard. And the reason is because it keep on bleeding. Okay, but that outline, once it's dry, the chance of bleeding out is not as great as when it's still wet. Okay, so the outside here, the white, I'm gonna coming in now with a pink. So this allow me to vary the type of peony. So this particular one here, outside slightly pink, okay, and then inside more pink. So the inside means the bottom here. Okay, so the hard part is actually blending. Okay, so once I've done that, I go back again, just like the previous. So here I could put more magenta. Okay, and then some part at the outside. Now you guys probably couldn't see it. I can see a bit of water coming out of the edge here, but not white. Okay, so I can still go back and put white on this particular one here. So it's a very, very time consuming method. Okay, so I blend it with the white. Okay, so this is what different technique would get you to. Okay, so again, I would probably give you advice is saying, when do I use this method and when do I use the other method? Okay, so one of them is demonstrate my line is very good compared to another artist by looking at these lines. Second thing, a lot of time give you example, if you have a flower like a peony has a very strange color. Okay, for example, white we consider to be a bit strange. Now sometimes the white maybe has some other color. Okay, so this is also done deliberately so you guys can see it. Okay, so again I'm gonna change one of the petal to different color. Okay, So what happened, this particular one here, I'm going to say this is a white peony. So they have a bit of greenish, yellow greenish at the inside. Okay, and I'll come back with white also.